Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Celebs Record. Today we are uncovering Johnny Depp's amazing transformation from 80s heartthrob to Hollywood legends. So let's get right into the video without wasting your any time. Johnny Depp early life. Johnny Depp was born on 9th of June 1963 in Owensboro, Kentucky, USA. Raised in a modest household, Depp moved frequently with his family before settling in Miramar, Florida. As a teenager, he dropped out of high school to pursue a career in music before accidentally stumbling into acting. His early life was marked by rebellion, creativity, and a desire to escape a troubled family environment. Johnny Depp career breakthrough. Johnny Depp's big break came with the 1987 TV series 21 Jump Street, where he played Officer Tom Hansen. The show made him a teen idol, but Depp was uncomfortable with his imaging and soft role that would allow him to break free from the break stereotype. His performance in Edward Scissorhands 1990, directed by Tim Burton, marked a pivotal moment in his career, establishing him as an unconventional and serious actor. Johnny Depp iconic roles. Depp became known for his portrayal of intricate and complex characters. Some of his most iconic roles include Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, arguing his most famous and beloved role. Willy Wonka in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The Mad Hatter in Alice in Wonderland. Ika Crane in Sleepy Hollow. Sweeney Todd in Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street. He also starred in cult classics such as What's Eating Gilbert Grape, Donnie Brasco, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, and Glow. Johnny Depp controversies and struggles. Johnny Depp's personal life has been marked by several controversies. His high-profile relationships and later legal battle with actress Amber Heard dominated headlines worldwide. Accusations of abuse and the resulting defamation lawsuit against British newspaper and Heard greatly affected his public image and career. He also struggled with reported substance abuse, financial troubles, and being dropped from major franchises like Fantastic Beasts due to ongoing legal and personal issues. Johnny Depp comeback and today. Despite these struggles, Depp has shown signs of comeback in 2022. He won a defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard, which statement restored his reputation in the public eye. Post-trial, he returned to music and film, making appearances at festivals and working on European film projects such as Genie Du Barry, where he played King Louis X5. Depp also focuses on his art, music with his band Hollywood Vampires, and directing. And that's the incredible journey of Johnny Depp from his teen idol to Hollywood icon. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more celebrity evolution.